Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to start a new series Warli Art. I am going to teach how to draw basic figures in Warli Art and to the advanced level. So stay tuned to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to draw a man and a woman in Warli Art. So let's start. First of all, let's draw a circle. This is the head of the man, then neck. Now we'll draw straight a line, draw the shoulders, make an X, then join them together. Okay, now let's draw the hands. Draw the legs now. And it's done. So this is the man. That is how a man is drawn in Warli art. Now we'll draw a woman. In the same way, let's draw a circle and another circle to make a hair bun. Draw the neck, again shoulders. Now draw an X. Again join them. In the same way, make a V shape. This is the head and make a circle. Again draw a V shape and draw a circle. So these are the both two hands. Now same way, draw the legs. V shape, V shape, and draw the foot. That's it. So that is how a woman is drawn in Warli art. Look how simple it is. Anybody can draw it. Even the small kids can learn to draw man and woman in Warli art very easily. In my further videos, I will teach how to draw various animals, plants, and so many things in Warli art. So don't miss any of the episode. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.